Hi all. Today we're here at 9100 Schooner Road in Ladera Heights. We are in northwest Albuquerque. We're about to see an 8,100 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. It was built in 1999. You have a nice walkway to the front door from the garage. The windows on the front of the house are gated. As we walk in, you'll see that the space is open and light and bright. You've got 12-foot vaulted ceilings in the main living area. The landing is done in an 8x8 neutral colored tile. The living room is carpeted, as you can see. You've got a gas fireplace over in the corner. You can look directly across the house through the dining and into the backyard. The backyard is landscape ready. And you do have a nice covered patio. The back of the house faces south. So you get really good sun back here all day. And you do have a bit of a walk on each side of the house. The other one goes to where the front door is, and there's also a gate that allows you into the backyard from there. So coming back into the dining, you can see directly across the kitchen. The kitchen is clad with hardwood cabinets. You've got a Formica countertop, but you do have a natural stone and glass backsplash. You have an overmount double sink with a garbage disposal, and you've got a Whirlpool dishwasher, Whirlpool 5-burner gas range, and a matching Whirlpool microwave above. You do have a good sized pantry here in the corner with basically floor to ceiling storage. And you've got a side by side with an indoor dispenser, also Whirlpool stainless steel. Here's your living room from the other angle. Coming on through, we're going to hang a left, and we are headed back to bathroom number 1. Bathroom number 1 is a standard bathroom with a tub, and you've got a very nicely maintained shower surround and a nice deep soaker tub in here. The wood cabinets carry in, and the same Formica countertops are in the bathrooms, and they're in really good condition. Coming out of bathroom number 1, we come into bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1 is approximately 10 by 16. And it does have a nice walk-in closet. Directly across from bedroom 1 is bedroom 2. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. This room is probably 12 by 11, 12 by 12, somewhere in that area. This is a queen size bed. And you've got a standard slide-in closet, and there's enough room for additional seating, maybe a desk for a kid over here. And this window faces to the west. Moving past the bedrooms, past the living room, you've got additional storage closets here to the right, and that is a double slider. And then immediately here to your left is the laundry. Plenty of storage in the laundry. That's the door to the garage. We'll go there in a minute. We are entering now the master bedroom. The master bedroom is quite spacious. It's 16 by about 24 is what it looks. I'll have true measurements up on the MLS. You've got this great bench seat here if you'd like to read in the window. And coming into the master bath, you've got a single sink, but you've got nice storage above, nice storage below. You do have a walk-in shower with, again, a nice shower surround. It's in good shape. And you have a non-jetted Roman style tub here in the corner. And this window is by the front door, so it's tinted. Water closet is here, and then the walk-in closet is pretty spacious. Coming back around, and standard 2-car garage, and you've got about a 4-foot section up here for additional storage. And of course your furnace and your water heater. So again, we're at 9100 Schooner Road Northwest in Albuquerque. Come by and take a look.